In the quest for weight loss, exercise stands as a pillar of support, offering a myriad of benefits that extend beyond more calorie burning. While diet plays a crucial role in weight management, the integration of regular physical activity can significantly enhance weight loss effort, improve overall health, and sustain long-term results. 1. Caloric expenditure and metabolic boost. At its core, exercise contributes to weight loss by increasing caloric expenditure. The body burns calories through basic metabolic process, daily activities, and physical exercise. Engaging in activities such as running, cycling, swimming, or even brisk walking elevates the heart rate and demands energy, leading to higher caloric burn. This energy deficit, when combined with a balanced diet, promotes fat loss. Moreover, exercise boosts the metabolic rate. Post-exercise, the body continues to burn calories at an elevated rate, a phenomenon known as excess post-exercise oxygen consumption. This metabolic boost can persist for hours, further aiding in weight reduction. Strength training, in particular, increases muscle mass, which inherently raises the basal metabolic rate, allowing for more calories to be burned even at rest. Number 2. Preservation of lean muscle mass. A significant challenge in weight loss is the potential loss of lean muscle mass. While caloric restriction can lead to weight loss, it often results in a decrease in both fat and muscle exercise. Exercise, especially resistance training, helps preserve and even build muscle mass during weight loss. Maintaining lean muscle is crucial as it supports a healthy metabolism and enhances overall body composition. Muscle tissue is metabolically active, meaning it burns more calories than fat tissue. By preserving muscle mass, individuals can prevent the decline in metabolic rate that often accompanies weight loss, thereby facilitating more sustainable results. Number 3. Appetite regulation and hormonal balance. Regular physical activity plays a pivotal role in regulating appetite and maintaining hormonal balance. Exercise inflames the production of hormones such as leptin and ghrelin, which are involved in hunger and satiety signals. Physical activity has been shown to increase leptin sensitivity, helping the body better recognize when it is full. This can lead to more controlled eating behaviors and reduce the likelihood of overeating. Additionally, exercise can help mitigate the effects of stress by reducing levels of cortisol, a hormone that is often associated with increased appetite and fat storage, particularly in the abdominal region. Lower cortisol levels can contribute to more effective weight management. Number 4. Psychological benefits and adherence. Exercise is not only beneficial for physical health but also for mental well-being. Engaging in regular physical activity can alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression, enhance mood, and boost self-esteem. These psychological benefits are crucial in sustaining long-term weight loss efforts, as they can improve motivation and adherence to a healthy lifestyle. The positive feelings associated with exercise can create a reinforcing cycle, encouraging individuals to continue their fitness routines. Consistency is key in weight management, and the psychological uplift from exercise can be a powerful motivator. Number 5. Long-term health benefits. Beyond immediate weight loss, exercise offers long-term health benefits that contribute to overall well-being. Regular physical activity reduces the risk of chronic disease such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, hypertension, and certain cancers. It also improves cardiovascular health, enhances immune function, and promotes better sleep. Incorporating exercise into a weight loss regimen creates a holistic approach to health, addressing both physical and mental aspects. It fosters habits that are sustainable and beneficial for long-term maintenance of a healthy weight and lifestyle. The importance of exercise in reducing weight cannot be overstated. By increasing caloric expenditure, boosting metabolism, preserving lean muscle mass, regulating appetite, and providing psychological benefits, exercise serves as an indispensable tool in weight management. Its long-term health advantages further underscore its value, making it a cornerstone of a healthy, balanced lifestyle. For effective and sustainable weight loss, integrating regular physical activity with a nutritious diet is very essential.